world is changing fast. So we're growing up. We've been on our own learning journey. And like most learning, it's complex. It doesn't follow a straight line. And we've had to unlearn some things along the way to keep moving forward. It's a journey that has led us to zoom out in order to zoom back in on a refocused mission to elevate humanity through learning and to get people to experience learning like never before. Experiences that not only equip people and organizations with the world's most cutting-edge skills, but fundamentally change mindsets. Because in a dynamic world, to stay relevant, you need to adapt. To perform, you need to transform. And to grow, you need to learn. And to inspire greater personal, team and business growth requires thinking bigger than just growth hacking. That means new courses and capabilities, new formats, new tools, and a new approach. So join us on this learning journey, because learning is a continuous, enjoyable, actionable, impactful, and lifelong experience. And it's not just what we do, it's who we are.